On our previous episode of Onboard Lifestyle, we found during our routine inspection a rudder bushing that had deteriorated in the hot Chiapas sun. With only a few days until our departure, the captain MacGyvers a replacement part. The crew rallies together to pull and replace the rudder in time to take care of some last-minute business. And that's where we will pick up this week's story.
Rain, 우린 젖은 채로 stay 하루 종일 또 색다른 motive Hush, fame, 내가 Grammy 너를 take 매일 갖고 싶어 너만 생각하면 높이 날아 I heard that you've been just searching for someone when you need me right now.
Today I'm going to be doing something different because I am not going to be cooking for us. I'm not going to cook for our cruising friends. I'm actually going to be cooking for the crew of Marina Chiapas. Our time here is coming to a close and I wanted to show our appreciation to them during our stay here. These guys are the nicest, accommodating, the hardest working crew that we have been around. Probably because we've been here longer than we've ever been in any area, but it doesn't matter because they are working day in and day out. In this heat, this humidity, rainstorms, lightning storms, you name it. They are out here doing it and doing it with a smile. So I'm going to be making them a nice lunch. There's going to be 12 crew members and going to give them a Vietnamese meal. These guys like Asian food and there is no Vietnamese food around here except for if it comes from me. Okay, so what am I making? I am going to be making my chicken lemongrass skewers with fried rice and shrimp rolls. This is going to be good, and you know that I love these guys because I am using my last stock of lemongrass. This is something that I usually keep stocked in the freezer, but this is my last one. I'm sorry, but Mexico, your lemongrass is leaves a lot to be desired because they're wimpy and tiny and no good. That is 3 kilos of chicken thighs. So I hope that that's enough because I heard that these guys are eaters. They got healthy appetites. Let's just hope it's enough for all of them. Well, there's a reason why I used a lot of marinade because this is not a subtle flavor. This is kind of like in your face. I like to call it flavor blast type of meal. We don't mess around when it comes to flavor, so packs a punch for what it is. get this thing all nicely saturated in there, and then we're gonna do that overnight, and then it'll be ready to skewer tomorrow and on the grill. Just enough room.
Well, the ladies are in full prep mode now.
Yep. I think that it was a good marinade overnight. It smells actually pretty darn good. Even before it's cooked. It's gonna get better. But let me tell you, I picked up these bamboo sticks because we just ran out of ours.
The wimpy ones here?
Oh my gosh, look at the difference.
Yeah.
Ugh. I hope they survive the grill.
They will. Don't worry. I don't think they'll last long.
So it's T minus how many hours?
We have basically 2.5 hours.
We have 2.5 hours.
And a lot to do.
The guys all eat at 1. So, Teal, you're going to have to fire up the grill, I don't know.
Probably at noon. Right at noon.
Yeah, and then, or maybe a little bit earlier because you got to cook it as well. And then I still have to throw together all the fried rice fixins. The key here, you guys, is prepping. Prepping makes the time that it takes for you to cook much faster.
Yeah, but you guys got a ways to go. Look at all that.
We're almost done.
Almost done.
Halfway.
Okay.
I'm getting better at this.
You got to make like 60 skewers here.
60?
Yeah, think about it. There's 12 guys. They're going to eat 3-4 each. And then I want some.
No. This is for
No
them.
skewers for you.
Yeah.
Skewers are done. What's next, Chef?
This is actually the easiest one because we're just doing a shrimp roll. And it's just literally, it's the egg roll wrapper with shrimp. So.
Do you have a dipping sauce with it?
Yeah, I have a dipping sauce. So I kind of cut it so that it straightens out. And then do a quick seasoning. And then just wrap it and then we fry it. God, I love being down in Mexico where shrimp is in abundance and it is so cheap.
And fresh.
Yeah.
It comes from right out there.
No, I don't think so. It's not. That's not the case. They go everywhere.
Wait, I'm looking at 2 shrimp boats every time we come in here.
So it's just literally a little bit of oyster sauce, sugar, and typically white pepper, but I don't really like white pepper very much. So I'm going to use ground black pepper.
A well-oiled machine now. Look at you guys go.
Well, you know what it is I was so happy when we were in La Paz. We found this Asian store. It's supposed to be like a Japanese supply store, but it really had a lot of different stuff. But they actually had Vietnamese wrappers. Teal, you guys check this out. These are better than the normal Chinese egg roll wrappers. Sorry, guys. Because it's thinner and it's crispier and it doesn't bubble when you do that. But look how thin this is. Paper thin. This is going to be so awesome.
Okay, let's watch you roll one. The master.
All right. Oh, Mom, look away.
Mine are getting better.
Telling my mom. My mom is the master roller, actually. She used to.
I'm sure she'll be proud.
Anyways, and that's it. So the good thing about these types of snacks is it's so easy, it's so tasty, and then you get 2 wrappers for 1. I have to do this in shifts. I've never had to cook for a large group in a short amount of time, and fried rice has to be done in shifts. So I have 2 kilos of rice, cooked rice, with 2 kilos dry. And I'm just going to do it in stages and just fill it up in the big platter and then kind of piece everything together. But yeah, we're doing it. It's hot, but I think
good.
I think it's it'll look better in a little bit. But I think it's a lot cooler today than it has been.
Compass, you excited?
Is that a party compass?
Yeah. Yum.
Okay, I am doing double duty because we are running out of time and I know that the guys only have an hour to eat. So we got half an hour before their lunch. So I am doing the fried rice and frying up the shrimp rolls at the same time. Luckily we have propane and electric. So woohoo for power!
While my mom is cooking up the rest of the food back on Basic, I'm gonna go get some soda for the guys. And I'm gonna hug the shade because it's sunny today. It's super hot. I don't know how my mom does this. She is amazing. I got the soda and now I'm walking up to the pool to see how my dad's doing. How's it going? Ooh, these are looking good.
They're getting there.
Some of that was me.
Got a ways to go though. And not much time. They're gonna start showing up in 10 minutes. Is everything ready?
Just about. Ready or not, here we come.
Not a bad setting for a little lunch.
Yeah, hola, Jorge. Hola. Woo. Oh. Okay, can you go get that? Yep. You get it.
Meanwhile, the grill master. I'm getting there.
Woo.
That's enough to get started.
One more last minute project that we're going to be doing right now is Teal is down below checking our kiwi props. Because we just want to make sure that everything is free and clear and in good working order. You know, we had our bottom scrub, but at the same time they kind of like to stay away from something that they're not sure of, which is our props. Our props are made of composite material, so Teal just wanted to make sure that nothing is seizing and that everything is good to go. We are going to be doing a load on the engine today just to make sure that everything is in working order and the engines do not overheat. We did do a test run on it, but we didn't do a load. You guys know that we replaced them with new elbow mixers. So yeah, it's just one more thing that we just need to deal with, and just a couple more things and we can, yeah, we'll be in good shape. I'm getting really excited. I think the crew is getting really excited to head out of here. So I'm going to be doing some more provisioning, last minute stuff, and it's feeling good. So how bad was it?
The divers have been doing a good job scrubbing the boat, but I don't know that they've touched the props. They were just balls.
I know, I think that they were kind of scared, which is why I said you wanted to go down there.
What'd that take me? 45 minutes or so?
No.
Felt like it.
About a half an hour.
Okay.
Look at all the fish swimming around you.
Oh, they're just feasting on the barnacles. I mean, it was a layer a ½ inch thick over the entire prop. Oh well, it's clean now. One is. We'll let the compressor cool off and let me rest a second. I'll do the other one.
Okay, good job.
So everything looks real good under there. Well, with the exception of the props. There's no anti-fouling on our props. So growth occurs in, well, we had the bottom scrubbed, what, a week and a half ago?
Something like that.
So it was crazy growth in here in a week and a half.
But our bottom's fine.
Bottom's fine, yeah. It looks good. Everything looks real good. Props are clean now. Feel good about the zincs. They look good. I think we're getting close. Well, all systems look good. After having so much problems with our port engine overheating coming in here, you know, we've been sitting idle, but we've done a lot of repairs, replaced a lot of parts. We're doing a load test now. Got the prop spinning. We've tied to the dock nice and secure on the port side. And we'll run this for a half an hour and see if we could get this thing to overheat. But so far, looks real good. It's been running about 20 minutes and all systems go. It's a good feeling. Looks like we nailed it.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. A huge thanks goes out to our wonderful patrons, whose generous support drives the production of our videos. Join our crew if you can. It felt nice to thank the amazing Marina Chiapas crew for making our stay here safe and comfortable. With Basic running smooth, it's time to say goodbye to Mexico. Come back next week to see if we can cast off the lines. See you then!